This is how to get your name to appear on the lock screen of your phone using a super simple hack. We're going to use focus mode. It's not meant to be used this way, but it works. We're going to go into the settings app. Then we're going to scroll down until we get to focus. And here we see all of our focus modes. You see my name there as one of them. That is the hack. That's the name of my focus mode is my name. Or you can put the name of your company or the name of your dog, whatever you want, that appears on the bottom of your iPhone lock screen. To add a new focus mode, to do this, just tap the plus in the top right, choose custom, type in your name, then pick a color, pick an icon, tap next, tap customize, and here you can choose just the notifications you want. So any people you add or apps you add, those will be ones that'll be able to bypass your focus mode. You want to make sure if you're going to have this as your lock screen, meaning this focus mode is going to be on all the time, you want to make sure that the stuff that's getting through or that you want to get through is actually getting through. So you want to set this up and customize this appropriately. I'm just going to leave mine blank for now. And then when I pull down from the top right, tap on my name there for focus mode, we see Jimbo has just been added. Now, if I turn that on and I lock my screen, we see Jimbo at the bottom of the phone. And that's all there is to it. Like and subscribe, then check out this video, which is all about stopping your iPhone from tracking you. So check that out and turn off the settings in that video. I'll see you there.